Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I made a video in the past days about earn per click, that you can earn 5 to 10 cents per click. But this system, you're gonna watch a advertisement or you're gonna click on a website link, then you're gonna wait a couple of seconds and gonna make money from that. But this video is similar, but you're gonna make a $20 20 pence, sorry, 20 pence per click. You don't have to do anything. You have to promote this offer. When the people click that offer, and you can make money over and over again. You can set it up. It's an autopilot. And you can trust this website 100%. It's like affiliate program. I will talk about the website where you can sign up for that, and how you can sign up for that, and how you can promote the offers and everything. Before that, if you really like my video, subscribe, like, press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to like my videos, and I will come up with a multiple way to make money online. I try to upload one video per day, and don't forget to like our video, guys. The website I'm talking about is called Entire Web. Entire Web is similar to Google and Yahoo. Is a search engine website, and they indicate they bring up to 150 million visitors per month. So you can trust this website. For why they pay you 20 pence per click, which means I will talk about and everything in next step. So first, you can see get paid for every click. You will pay. We will pay for all the click you generate, and you can earn up to 20 pence per visitors. High conversion rate. Anyone can join. You can leave any part of the country. You can sign up, and free to sign up, and you can promote this offer, and easy to start. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to learn anything. If you come down to this tab, if you bring advertisement, if you bring the visitors for free website sign up. Basically, if you have a website like mine, if you sign you need to provide that index to search engine, so search engine can put your video to relevant visitors, right? Until you publish the website, nobody going to see your website, guys. So if you can promote this banner and people can click and come to Entire Web, then they can, if they continue the process, and you get paid. But they don't have to complete entire process. So if we check this one, they will pay you for the first initial click, and also visitor goes through the process. But if they click it, you get paid, guys. But you are not only going to promote website submissions. There's other offers also you can promote, and you can get paid for each click, guys. So you can go to the website and get the information you want. Once you've done that, you go to here and select as you come here and create account. It will take to this page where you can create an account for free, and the creating account is fairly easy, guys. They ask certain questions on the email, and you get paid in PayPal, so don't forget to provide your PayPal address. And if you are individual, you have to provide the tax identification number. If it's business, you don't have to do that, but if you put that into business, if you don't have any tax identification number, when you sign up, within a minute you're gonna get your username and password in your email. When you use that, you can sign up. Then you need to go back to this page and you have to log in, and it will take to this page, you guys. This is your affiliate dashboard. This is affiliate pro, I think. So they have an excellent tracking system and everything. So as you see here, I sign up today and already have 3 impressions, and I think I have 1 click from my website, I believe, because it's gonna take a couple of days to prove that that click is valid. Then you get paid in your account. So this is a dashboard gonna look like. So you have to come down to the section called here, the campaign, and click banners and link. It will take to this page. This is the link that you can put it in your YouTube videos, or in your blog post, or in your social media directly. Then you can bring the viewers by clicking on things. But if you have a website, then you can put a banner advertisement. This one, see, this banner advertisement, you can put it in the footer of your blog post. That have 500 Facebook like. Try today. This is the banner. Increase your website traffic. This is another way to promote Entire Web. So you can promote any banners that you want. So you have a different banners. For example, if I want to promote this one, I will show the first way. The first way what you can do is just directly share it on Facebook, right? If you click this page, it will take to your Facebook account. If you have a fan group, or if you have a Facebook fan page that you can promote, or if you joined with any other external group that you can promote that also. All right, so you can select the different groups and you can promote this offer to them. This is the one way. And the second way I talk about is a banner advertisement. So this is the banner code. You need to click it and get the banner code. And if you have a website blog post, that's easy to promote in the sidebar. So if I go to my website here, I already have two offers added here, and I want to promote one more things, and you can put it in here and go to here and click text and paste the entire code. Click visual. You can see the advertisement. You don't have to do anything. Click save, and if I go back to my site, it will alive and active, right guys? So if I go to home page, this is my new website here. If I come down here to my blog post, and you can see this first advertisement is the second and the third one. See, you can promote your website with Google advertisement, but also in the sidebar you can promote these offers easily. Once you set it up, when the viewers come and click your banner, and you're gonna get 20 pins per click over and over again. So you can say in a way is autopilot, guys. So you can see I already set it up. I don't have to do anything. It will show up in every post I publish. So if people click one of those banners, it will take this. For example, if I click this one, it will take to the page where here for the social paying, and one more this banner here. This one is, it will take you to this page where you can buy a traffic for your website from entire web. Entire web promote these offers. Okay, it's part of the entire web. So you can you're gonna get the banners from here. So like I said before, guys, every single click you're gonna get paid. Thanks guys for watching my videos. If you really like my videos, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon so you will notify when I release my videos. And like my video, guys, if you really like my videos.